And the first force is gravitational force. For example of gravitational force, I have take a ball and throw to the ground. Ma'am, see, you can see clearly that the ball is attracting to the downwards and the attract to the ground. So it is called the gravitational force, and it is also discovered by the Newton. Ma'am, and the next force is magnetic force. For the example of magnetic force, I have take two magnets and see ma'am, see ma'am, how the another magnet is going upwards, and when take ns is equal to, see ma'am, it attracts both clearly, and this attraction is called magnetic force. And the another force is manual force. In this force, I have, for example, I have take a stool, and when I pick up the stool and see this, I have pick up the stool, and this I have making a force, and this force is called muscular force or manual force. Ma'am, and the another force is electrostatic force. And for example, I have take two papers and a scale, and I have taken a scale and a oil, and I have scaled the oil, and see this force. See, this is, and when you see that the paper piece is attracting to the scale, oil scale. So this force is called electrostatic force. Now come to the another force. Ma'am, and another force is frictional force. And frictional force, I have taken also a ball, and you can see ma'am, see, I have break the ball, but also ball is moving. So this force is called frictional force. And ma'am, this all force are kind of force, and I have explained with the examples. Thank you.